Happy Halloween. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it works. So, for my costume, I decided to paint my face purple. That's not what I was originally doing, but that's what I ended up with. And it happened. It was going to be a doll at first. My first thing was just to be an elf. But then I decided to be like a dark elf. But somehow I managed to be purple. And here, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. With some speeding up. I really don't know what that sound is. It sounds like a cricket is silently rubbing its legs together. It's like shh, 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 shh. But yeah. I just randomly, you can see the paint running. Got this this face paint kit off of Amazon. It's really good. It makes me want to do face painting. I might do some more outside of Halloween. Because every time I find something to do, I buy a bunch of stuff, run with it, and then I don't want to do it again. But yeah. Oh, that noise is my hand rubbing it across the pillow. That's crazy. But whatever. Yeah. I took this video at the end of the party when I got home because I didn't get any good video before. But yeah, I had paint in my hands too, but that was weird because I had gloves, so all of it rubbed off inside the gloves. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I even painted my hands because I was wearing gloves, but I forgot. It was just so many layers to the outfit. Yeah. But yeah. Oh, that wig off Amazon is amazing. I have to show you how I styled that because that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I got a lot of that stuff from Amazon except the actual outfit, which was $1. And the gloves were $1 with the little boot covers. And the little neck thing was $1. But the headdress thing was, I don't remember how much it was, and the ears came from Amazon. I would love to know what that little background noise is, but we're not going to talk about it. Either way, it turned out cute. Yep, and that's why I shouldn't be allowed to make videos. Some good shots were taken when I first got dressed. That they were. Then, at the party. Then, at the market. Oh, I thought I lost the ear. Now I'm looking for a good selection of juices. Yes, juices galore. Yeah. When did that happen? It's been there for a minute. I just had that Halloween boxes there. So you couldn't see it because I was trying to keep Bear in here. Love this wig. I'm gonna take it all off. Ooh, so many things. Let's take the whole wig off. Oh. Becky. Okay. Okay. Ooh, don't lick my ears, bro. I got makeup on my ears. Don't lick my face either. Don't lick my face. It wipes off so easy.